And now the two different LANs now. We say the second router, we yeah, take a switch. That's 960 switch. Oh, that's this router. So go back to select router and take 14 with the that's one. So click them, place them. Now to end devices, take a laptops, two laptops, place them inside the switch. Get back some connections again to connecting two different devices together. Use the copper straight to router to say gigabit 0 gigabit to gigabits. Get to a part now. In fast internet to the laptop, fast internet to substitute to this laptop. So we're done now. So not change the name of this router. This is already router 2. So, yeah, this router 2. It's already switched to get this laptop 1, laptop 2. So now we're create another line here. Now for the IP address, we still use the place now placing an IP address for this 192.168.2.0. This is already dot one, so this dot two. Go back to the select portion menu. You start again with the router two, place it here. Command line interface. Just write this. I really don't want to use the setup mode, say no to the setup mode. And then we're now in the user mode. From the user mode now to privilege mode, say enable. And now from enable to do back configuration, we have config config T. And then now we change out this route now to change out router to say host name R2 route. Okay, configure the router. So now we need to know the interface, this interface here that comes to inside this network. The interface that means goes like this. So open it again, open it again. Say this is interface key interface 0/0/0. Why the interface mode specific for now. After that, I just say a address 192.168.2.1 because the first address here is some is each. So now put the summon max to 55.255.255.0. So all the like I just now to make the port turn on, you say no drops down. You made it turn on now. So I know with this route now fast forward this a little bit. The port is now on. So move on to this top here now. I think install command and so in the command prompt IP configuration. We use that dot 10 again, it's 20, so say 192.168.2.10. So dot 10. And summons back sorry, yeah, the default gateway again, the gateway here. This gigabit to say 192.168.2.1. Yeah, so we're done for this one now. We'll forget about the DNS server for now. To my lesson. So we'll go now to laptop A, laptop 2. We'll do the same desktop, edit configuration, 192.168.2.20. So networks already there. I'll say the same at 192.168.2.1. So it's all this in. We have configured now these devices here. So you can say that could be enter laptop 1 and say want to ping this interface here, 192.168.2.1. It's here. So say come to command prompt in 192.168.2.1. We got to reply. This laptop can now move to this router now. So now this we create another LAN now in a server. So create a third LAN here and move to any devices, bring the server or the server here. And now we want to mimic an internet. This internet we don't necessarily need any to configure any IP address for now. We just want to mimic the internet and see if it works. So use under network devices one emulation to just see if our one works, how the internet will work. So we put a cloud here. We enter connection again. We use again state copper straight to enter here gigabit 0/0/0 to the server fast internet. The server only have one port. So again, copper straight through for this. Use now this second one here and to the server now we use internet 6. This is the internet port. And the cable we're using are internet cables. So connect it here. You see this button here. We'll not focus attention on this that much. We just focus attention on this parts of the router. So we enter so we put the IP address for this. We say 192.168.3.0/24. So this will be network 1, network 2, network 3. So enter now the router over here. Just put this right here. Put this here. What better? Command line prompts. Command interface, sorry, no, we want to introduce the setup mode for now. We say enter now. So privilege mode enable. From privilege mode to global configuration mode, config terminal config T. And now we'll change out the host name for this router. I want it to display that at the R3. Host name R3. Remember, you don't have to give it all these router. Just give it so that you remember. Now we know that this is router 1, R1, R2, R3. So easy. Enter now we have the R3. I want to enter this interface. You say interface int for short J0/0/0. We're inside interface now. I want to use the IP address, and the IP address I want to use for this is 192.168.3.0. You say IP address 192.168.3.1. Sorry, the 3.1 before set address. So number 255.255.255.0. No, say now no shutdown for it to turn on. I see it is turning now. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So we need to delete this out. I want to put a switch. Delete this matter for the server for now. No, we can't, sorry, let's cancel it. When you bring a switch here, network switch, if you want to put a switch, so I need to put a switch. So I want to delete the cable here. And sorry for this mistake. Copper straight to this gigabits. These are switch like fast teleports now to this ports. So we have the C, it's still on because I already configured this interface with IP address. Sorry for mix up, it's still on. So we enter out the server now. This is how the server looks like. We enter the desktop IP configuration 192.168.3.10. Same subnet max 255/24. Default gateway, the IP address open for the it's router 192.168.3.1. So close this for now. You can see now this network are okay now. So the next video, I'm going to connect one connection to allow this router and this router to connect and connect the routers.